Hi guys, I'm here today with the Sofirn IF23, one of the most interesting flashlights on the market right now. It's very impressive what functions we have. We have a beam light, we have also floodlight, and it has even a replaceable rechargeable battery inside. So it's built for long-term usage, but you can not only charge this flashlight, we can also use this flashlight to charge some other devices out in the woods like your phone or so. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how you can use it. And so here again the box, here even some website QR code, more information about this product and the company. So let's open and pull it out. And so here we have it. So it's absolutely impressive how many modes we have. You can see every square here is a different mode. And so here we have a super impressive maximum runtime of up to 27 days with this moonshine option. Pretty much 1 full month. Of course it's not a high beam, but still some light. And here in the back we can see how to access all these different modes. You can see that here. I mean, basically we have 1 press, double press, 3 press, up to 4 press, I think, and long press, and all these operations will then result in these different modes. To turn it on, of course, we have to charge it first, and we have also to remove the protection here. That's the opening for the battery. We can remove that. You can see very large rechargeable battery, but the good thing, it's a standard battery. We can buy and replace this battery if needed. You can even buy some spare ones. If you're out in the woods, you can even take a couple of these batteries with you or charge it just on a power bank. Of course, that's much easier. And the most important thing at the moment, of course, is to remove this protection. Otherwise, the flashlight won't work, won't charge, won't do anything. So we put this back here. Make sure that it's fully tight because it's waterproof, IP68. I've also mounted the clip here, that can be very useful. Also the hand strap, really good. And there's a reason why this battery cover is so solid. This is because it's magnetic. You can see even holds like that in this position. And so here we have the charging port. You can just plug it in. And then you can see the red blinking light, which is an indicator for charging. By the way, this LED is also showing the charge level. So when we just turn it on, you can see it shows red, which means it's on a low level. And when it's even blinking red, then it's super low, definitely recommended to recharge. That's being showed for 5 seconds after turning on. The really good thing, even though we have so many functions, we can also use it very easy. We just short press here and then it goes into normal high beam, and you can see how bright this is. Definitely super bright. And we can just also normally turn it off with a short press. So this works over and over, on and off, on and off. So you don't have to deal with so many functions if you don't need that, but of course you can activate them if you want them. So if you want to have more functions, for example, we turn it on again and then we triple press, then it will use this light here. So we press 3 times fast, and so this is activated. And so we have different modes here with double press. You can see now it's super bright here. Double press again. Can see we have this flashlight, and so we have many functions here, pulsing light and so on. Even SOS can be super helpful. And from this state we can press 3 times again, and then it goes into this colorful light, where we also have different modes with double pressing. Can see starts flashing, or we can long press here. You can see then it goes through the different colors. It's a little bit difficult to see. Usually this camera has a little bit a hard time to see the different colors from strong LEDs. I hope gives you some little impression what we can do, but as soon as we release the button it will stay or remain in the exact same color. Also interesting. And from this light with triple press then it goes even in a state where both of the lights are working, not only to the front but also to the side. And then we press 3 times again, and then it goes back into the normal light. So it's not so difficult as it looks at the beginning. And if you think it's too complicated, you can always turn it off and turn it on with 1 press, and then you have the normal flashlight again. So the double press, triple press, 4 times press, and all these things are for the advanced users. Gives you a lot of options, but you don't have to use them. What we also can do is long press in pretty much all the status, all the different light settings, and it will switch through the different brightness settings. Of course, also something which is difficult to show on a normal camera, because the camera always tries to adapt to the different brightness. But I can confirm that the different brightness is really impressive. And we have even a lock mode where we press 4 times. And now I have turned down the light a little bit, and that's because I want to show you some super special function, and that's the moonlight. The moonlight can be activated by long pressing. I hope you can see that now. Of course, we can also change the brightness, but usually it's very low, and so like that it can illuminate for up to 27 days. That's absolutely amazing. Of course, you can see I can long press, and then we can change the brightness, and then it's not actually a moonlight anymore. And we can not only go directly into this light with 1 press here, we can also go directly into this light with double pressing. Then we activate this light only directly. And of course, also this light has a low light setting. And of course, because it's a flashlight, we do not have a lot of space. So the port here is a little bit tight, so it doesn't work for all the USB cables. So here I have a USB to USB which is not working. So make sure that you have a USB cable which is fitting before you leave. For example, this one here is easily fitting. And so I can charge my phone directly from this flashlight. You can see it charging nicely, but make sure that you close this properly so it will be watertight again. I've tested it already under running water, and so it works absolutely perfect. We can also feel that this is really good solid button. Also the front here, when you compare it to some other flashlights where we have very thin glass, sometimes even plastic, that's a solid front here. Very important to have a really good quality, so if it drops it won't break. Overall the whole build makes a really solid, super solid impression. And so I've been outside already, tested it, and it was super impressive. Watch this thing here, the difference between the dim mode and the full brightness mode. It's absolutely incredible how bright this is. So it's probably the flashlight with the most functions overall. I mean, I haven't seen any flashlight which comes even close to this flashlight when it comes to the functions, and also regarding the power, super powerful, definitely. Really nice build, very impressive light for you, or could be also an awesome gift for somebody who's out there a lot, or also something which could be just an awesome thing for a car. So full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.